Alright, today we're going to be pulling down this old fort. At one time it was built really well. The only problem is that whenever they put it on the ground, well, that's what they did, they put it on the ground. And so you can see it's all rotted away. All the frame, what do you call it? Frame. I'll put an annotation on. It's early, I'm tired, and it's cold. So anyways, like all this up here, that's solid as can be, but the farther down you go, get out of the way, Coda. It's like that all over the place. So, and I redid this floor, about 3 years ago, so that's good. But I don't know, I don't think it's really worth saving too much. I guess it'd be I could turn it into a shed or something, but I don't know. I do have this like a electrical box thing. So, and then of course the fence. So I'm going to try and pull it in that direction, and hopefully I don't pull it on top of me and I don't mess this up or that. So I'll set you on top of this and we'll go from there. Alright, let's get her done.
Cut it, get out of the way, cut it. Code, I thought I let you get inside. That's cool. Oh boy. The more he keeps pulling, more that thing is gonna fall down. Or maybe break. Because it lifts up some wheels. Not the back, not the front, just the back. Wheels lift up. Go to the store. Cut it. Whoa.
Got a lot of cleanup. Lots of cleanup. But yeah, I had put these little pavers in there just to prolong it a little bit, but the tractor really wasn't strong enough to pick up the whole thing. Because I mean, that'd be the best thing, just pick it all up and redo the flooring, and then set it back down. But it was a pretty neat little deal. It had a little kind of trap door or a secret door.
Secret. It's a secret.
And then little stairways went up and had a little deck. But oh well, not anymore, huh? But got to get this all out. We're gonna use this wood for a outside stove or outside fire, whatever you want to call it. Because I think this has been treated. So, anyways, thought that was kind of interesting. You know, a little destruction, nothing wrong with that. Bryce, be careful with this.
Why?
Because you can walk into that. So we'll finish tearing this down and go from there. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate. See ya.